Hey everybody, welcome to Vlog Every Day in April, day 8. Today I'm going to teach you a cool trick on how to technically zoom with the full frame prime lens on your Sony a7 III. Yes, you heard that correctly. Zooming with the prime lens. Now, this feature really isn't made for this, but it works. And I will show you I am using my prime 2.8 90mm macro right now, as you can see right here. Now, what this feature really is for some reason, if you have a full frame camera and you put an APS-C lens on here, then you use this setting so you could use that lens. I don't know why someone would do that. Usually if you have like a crop sensor camera like the Sony ZV-E10, you'd want to use a full frame on that camera. But this works, and I call it zooming. So this is how you zoom on a prime lens on a Sony a7 III, or probably any Sony. So let's get into the settings. Once again, we're in the Sony a7 III settings, and what you need to do is go to tab number 2, and then page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And all you have to do is click on custom key. Once you're in custom key, you could set this to any one of your custom keys, but for me, the most convenient is using the center button. And the center button is the button that is right in the middle of your control wheel on the back of your Sony a7 III. So I'll go to center button, and then on page 1 of 23, you'll see right on the bottom, APS-C S35 full frame. So you'll select that. And now menu out. And now this is live, my camera. See, I could focus on whatever is around here. But let's just do this. I'll focus on this right here, my 90mm. Now I'm going to press the center button once I have that option locked there, and watch what happens. Boom. A zoom in with a prime lens. And that's how easy it is to zoom in on a prime lens on your Sony a7 III, or probably any Sony Alpha camera. And it's pretty cool. I mean, obviously, if you're using a prime lens, you're using it for a reason, and you need to move your feet to walk around, but it's a pretty cool feature. If you need to like zoom a little bit, you might as well just use it. Like if you're taking some portraits and you can't move closer anymore for some reason, if there's something in your way, just use that, hit the button, and get a little zoom. So thank you for watching my vlog every day in April, day 8. I hope you learned something. Ask me any questions below. Like, subscribe as always, please comment, and please keep asking questions like you've always been doing, and I'll see you on the next video tomorrow on Vlog Every Day in April, day 9. Peace, guys.